If you're a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for a job that you can do from home, stick around to watch this video, as I'll be talking about real stay-at-home jobs that moms are actually doing with their kids at home. And so many of these moms are earning more than 6 figures and without a degree. They're also working part-time hours because, as we know, being a mom with kids at home is one of the hardest jobs out there. Okay, let's start the video. So I'll be going over what I have found to be the most profitable stay-at-home jobs for moms, as well as the most favorite stay-at-home jobs for moms. So I've done some research on these jobs to make sure that they are real stay-at-home jobs that moms can do for those who have kids at home. I'll also be covering how much you'll earn with each job and share jobs with you where you can begin one of these jobs as soon as today. So the first job I'll be going over is a property preservation contractor. This is one of the many ways someone can be a part of the real estate world without purchasing or selling anything. Essentially, you are preserving a property of foreclosures that are owned by banks, so one day they will be able to sell it. And don't worry, because you don't have to do any of the preservation yourself. You can actually outsource all of this work. All you have to do is focus on the admin work. And the average salary for this job is around $54,000 a year. The second job I'll go over today is becoming a virtual assistant. If you don't know by now, work-from-home jobs are becoming increasingly in higher demand. Business owners are in greater need than ever for outsourcing work related to email management, graphic design, content creation, social media, research, administrative duties, and many other things so they can focus on running the business themselves. This is a fantastic stay-at-home job for moms because most of your clients do not care when or where you work. All they care about for you is to complete the work by a specific deadline. I've seen several different virtual assistants earn anywhere from $25 to $40 an hour. And the demand for virtual assistants is increasing dramatically because so many business owners are looking for virtual assistants. The next job I'll share with you is becoming a freelance writer. This is similar to being a virtual assistant in that business owners will seek to outsource this job for you to complete tasks, allowing them to give more time and energy to other parts of their business. So if you are a writer or like to write, I would strongly encourage you to try this job because, like the virtual assistant job, you're able to work your own schedule wherever you want as long as you complete the work by the given deadline. I've seen moms earn over $200,000 a year as a freelance writer. This is totally possible for you to do the same as long as you become a proficient writer and find the right clients. You could earn up to $400 or more per article. The next job we will take a look at is becoming a proofreader. If you're a person who hates grammatical errors and finds themselves correcting poorly written sentences, you should seriously consider becoming an online proofreader. There are several stay-at-home moms who do this and earn around $3,500 a month. This is a great online job that you can do as a stay-at-home mom, and I would advise you to do some research and learn more as there are tons of free courses online that you can take to teach you how to do this. Our next job is becoming a virtual bookkeeper. The bookkeeper's role is to record financial transactions for small business owners. There are moms that do this part-time and are able to make around $2,000 a month. What's so incredible about this job is that when you become extremely proficient, all you need to do is work only 4 hours a month per client. Our next job is selling or flipping products on Amazon. This job can earn you a really great income as a stay-at-home mom. So Amazon includes a program known as Amazon FBA, where you essentially just purchase discounted products on Amazon and then resell them for profit online. Once you purchase the products and get them delivered to you, you then ship them to Amazon, where they take care of everything else in the process. They handle the customer service, the shipping, and handling, and everything else. There are several moms who do this and earn over 6 figures a year. The next job that you can do is blogging. Now, as a fair warning, this job does take quite some time for you to be able to start generating some income from it. But over time, as you continue to learn, work hard, and implement your skills, you can start earning 6 figures a year of passive income. Yes, that's right. You will start to make money while you sleep. The great thing about this is that you also don't even have to be a very good writer to do this. All of the best bloggers will tell you that you should be writing at an 8th grade level so that you can write blogs that appeal to the widest audience possible. All you have to do is just write like you talk. The next job we will go over is becoming a transcriber. This is a non-phone job that you can do. However, I want you to know that you will want to be in a very quiet environment because as a transcriber, your job is to listen to audio files and translate what you hear to text. So the average pay for a transcriber is about $15 an hour. And as you improve and become more experienced, you will start to get higher pay. Experienced transcribers typically earn anywhere between $25 and $30 per hour. In order to actually become a transcriber, you will need to be a proficient typer. The speed at which you will want to have as a beginner transcriber is at least 65 words per minute. There are several cases where you can type slower than that, but it will always be better to be a faster typer when it comes to being a transcriber. So as you become a more experienced transcriber, you'll be expected to type around 90 words per minute, which is quite fast. So being a transcriber is a great work-from-home job as a mother and is worth considering as you can make good money. The next job is becoming a medical billing and coding specialist. I will tell you right now, based on what I've seen, is that there seems to be very little shortage of medical billing and coding opportunities. This job seems to be in demand as I've seen it posted in many different places. The average hourly pay as a medical billing and coding specialist is about $21 per hour. To become certified, there are many different at-home training courses that you can take, and you will need to take these because it is a requirement to become certified. So out of all of the trainings that I've seen, the shortest one lasted about 4 months. This is also a training that you can do part-time if you'd like, which will probably take you about 15 months to complete. So I just want to quickly cover some of the certification abbreviations that you might be exposed to when it comes to medical billing and coding positions. So it seems that the majority of medical billers and coders are either affiliated with the AAPC, which stands for the American Academy of Professional Coders, or they are probably a part of the AHIMA, which stands for the American Health Information Management Association. Additionally, some other certifications you might be exposed to as a medical biller or coder is the CCSP, which is the Physician-Based Certified Coding Specialist Certification, the CBC, which is the Certified Professional Coder Certification, the RHIA, which is the Registered Health Information Administrator Certification, and the RHIT, which is the Registered Health Information Technician Certification. So as you can see, there are so many different certifications that you can receive. So the more certifications that are under your belt, the better, because that allows you to have more experience and therefore more power to be able to make more money. So this is a great job to get into because after becoming certified, you can start earning on average about $21 per hour at least. And the more experience you have, the higher you'll get paid. And now last but not least, the final job we will cover is becoming an online tutor. So there are several tutor-related companies that you can be a part of where you can focus on one-off homework questions and teaching English as a second language, or teaching test prep and academic tutoring. There are also many online teaching opportunities, which is where you would be in the position of an actual teacher as if you are in a real physical classroom. Now, to become an online teacher, you are usually required to have a bachelor's degree and a teaching certification. To become an online tutor, typically the only requirements you need are being a native English speaker and having an ESL certification or a TOEFL certification. It depends on the company that you join because some only require that you just be a native English speaker. So the pay for becoming an online tutor or teacher typically ranges between $10 and $45 per hour on average. So being an online tutor or teacher can allow you to make some pretty good money. This is a great stay-at-home mom job because it's very fulfilling work. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. The number of work-from-home jobs are increasing dramatically, making it easier than ever for a stay-at-home mom like yourself to be able to earn extra income or even have a full-time job working anywhere and whenever you want while also raising kids. If you enjoyed this video and got a lot of value from it, please smash the like button and click subscribe as well as the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a brand new video on how you can make money online. If you'd like to learn more about how you can make money online, check out this video right here.